About a few months ago, I was looking for change and growth and expansion in my career. I felt a little bit stagnant, like I had kind of reached a plateau. And so I sought out another job and applied to one in a different department at my company. And about a couple of weeks later, I got my first interview. It went well. And literally on that same day, I got a call from a former coworker of mine who still works in my current department, but isn't a manager now. He asked me if I would consider applying to a manager position that was in the system in my current department. I hesitated because honestly, I just didn't think that I was management material. I just didn't see myself in that position. So I kind of hesitated about it, but later that day, I did go ahead and apply. Initially just thinking, I'm probably not really gonna be considered. Fast-tracked to my first interview, and I thought the interview went great. But right after my first interview for the manager position, I got news that the first role that I had applied for, the other department had already offered me a position, and the offer looked really good, and I was willing and ready to say yes because I wanted that kind of change. But for some reason, I couldn't settle on that yes because I really thought, let me at least see where this manager interview process goes. It was really tough for me. I only had the weekend to decide, and we're now in the month of September, and I had to finally make a decision on whether or not I was going to accept that first offer. I thought about something that Pastor Jeanette told us at church when she said that September was going to be the month of release. And when she said that, I thought about, what could be released to me from God, like what he'll do, the doors that he'll open up. But what I realized in that process was that I needed to also release something. And in that moment, I decided to release just wanting to be comfortable, wanting to be safe, and thinking that a position that was offered to me was best. And so I actually declined that first job offer. Right after I declined that first job offer, I began to get fast-tracked through the manager interview process. And I even went through to the final rounds. About a week after my last and fourth interview, I got a call that I was being offered the manager position. And of course I screamed, I was excited, but I thought about how had I not released my comfort, God could not have released my calling. And it was meant for me to be in that manager position. When I met with the hiring team after I had gotten the position, they all were congratulating me and letting me know that they really wanted me to be here. They felt that this was the space that I was supposed to move into next. And what really blessed me was them saying, we're so grateful that you went through this process because we wanted you to begin with, but we needed you to go through the process. And so I'm just grateful that I didn't allow the things that I thought of myself to stop me from pursuing something that God wanted for me, walking in what God wanted for me. And so I'm so grateful that in releasing my comfort, he released this opportunity for me to be elevated into management. So I want to let you know that I am